This is FOREX Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the US dollar, Japanese yen. We are in a long position at 106.60. Our primary target is 106.65 to 66, somewhere in that range. There's a bearish trend support there. You can see where we've moved up into, on this 1 minute, into a bullish trend, faded off, broke down below that trend support, and are now moving back up toward that trend support. Zoom this out. You can see how we fell into a bearish trend here, came up through, popped up into this bullish trend, and faded back off. The real purpose for this US dollar yen trade is yesterday, throughout the trading day, having a short position in the euro yen. I was trading the euro and the pound against the US dollar to offset the risk of the upside in the euro yen coming back against me. Throughout the night, that's transitioned to where the US dollar is moving with the euro yen trade in regard to the yen. So I'm going to take this long position, and right now we're up about 3 pips. So I'd like to see a good push up through that 106.65 area. It would be nice if it would pierce that and come off and then reverse back down. But again, this is to offset the risk of the upside in the euro yen trade.
Hey, she always say I'll open up with yeah. All right.
That's one technique that's always a very important aspect of trading foreign exchange, is finding a pair that offsets your risk in a pair that you're long or you're short, especially if you're trying to work into a longer term position for a week or a month where you're holding a trade for multiple days. It is great to find those pairs each day that offset your risk, that move against your trade, because you can trade small amounts, whether it be 3 pips to 10 or 14 pips. You can trade those ranges, and you're able to offset that risk and make back some of that as it moves back against your trade without losing that entire position. So we're up 3 pips right now in that trade. So I'm going to exit that trade, take those 3 pips, and look at possibly a re-entry as it goes through this trend support level. And we are out of that trade. This is CIS Trading with thinkorswimtoolkit.com.